Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can show your pets in chat. So basically, this Snapchat feature is newly updated. So you just have to go to Google Play Store, App Store, and then search for Snapchat app and make sure that your application is updated. So tap on the update button. And once done, open your Snapchat application. And the first thing that you need to do to access this feature is to or by subscribing the Snapchat Plus. So when you tap on Snapchat Plus, as you can see at the top, pets in chat. So show off your pet when you're present in chat. So here, as you can see, if you're going to subscribe into Snapchat Plus, then you'll basically get an access to this new feature. So to switch between your pets on Snapchat, basically just have to go to your Snapchat profile. And from your profile, you can go to map and you can view by tapping the map icon at the bottom. And from there, you can tap on your Bitmoji avatar in the bottom left corner and you can select my pet from the menu that appears. So there you will see the different pet options available to you as a Snapchat Plus subscriber. Then you can tap on pet that you want to switch to. And the new pet will appear next to your Bitmoji on the map and also on your friends' chats. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.